Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Tuesday, November 4th. So, what's going on from forexfactory.com news? You can see that we have one USD and it is tentative after 8 a.m. The RCM tip economic optimism report. And that is it. The next one is at 4:30 after the market closes, which is the API weekly statistical bulletin. And there you have it. So nothing going on news-wise today, at least scheduled news. Of course, we'll still have tweets and news conferences and whatnot. Normal everyday stuff, but no scheduled news of interest. Moving on, looking at the daily chart, you can still have a we had, let's say that we had an island formation. Now we have now come back down, filled the gap. So the island formation now goes away. It doesn't get, if this would have been a gap down, we would have seen a gap down in here, and then that would have been isolated, but that's not the case. The island reversal is a kind of a rare, it's more common in stocks than it is in the futures market. So yeah, that being said, volume yesterday was below average, and you can see we basically had a doji day, slightly up, but not much. Gapping down as we speak right now. Where can we go? It looks like we bounced right off the 20-day moving average, which doesn't surprise me, but we are still above the moving averages, so the market is still bullish. So we'll have to see if the market can, gap down and then recover some of that. We'll see what happens. Looking at the inventory was negative yesterday on positive price action. Although there wasn't a lot of positive price action, but some. It was negative. So this is divergence. We have to be watching what's going on when you have price increasing and inventory decreasing. So that's not what we're supposed to see. What that means is maybe the smart money is getting out. At least that's the way it would look. We always want to pay attention to that, because if there's a divergence between these, it means the market's not acting like it should. It means even though price went up, there was net selling because inventory went down. So yeah, it is what it is. Moving on. Looking at the overnight action, pretty much a steady movement to the downside for the entire time, approximately 78 points. That's well above average, maybe 4 times average. So volatility is here and is here to stay. We'll see what happens today, but it should be a wild day. Where do we have support and resistance? So 6,800 is the big number. We did break that overnight, went down to the overnight low of 67.86. Below that, 67.80, 67.70, 67.60. I would say the whole number 67.50 will also be at least whole number support. Resistance on the top side, we've got 68.40. We've got a little bit of confluence around 68.50. 68.66, 68.72, a lot going on up here around 68.81. We get above that, the whole number 6,900 obviously will be the number to sort of get above and stay above. 69.09 of support, resistance up top. So there you have it. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 66.7. 66.7% chance the market will be up today. That is from the historicals from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.